So today, actually yesterday, I welded one of those. A case hardened sprocket to a shaft. It all had to be done with dual shield wire, 75-25 gas. There was a procedure on preheating the shaft, on how to weld it, and you're going to see the setup here. We're going to use a rotary table. We have an alignment jig for it to make sure that the sprocket is perpendicular on the shaft. And we're using some heat crayons, some temple sticks to check our preheat. So you'll see the entire setup. Here you see the shaft in the table with that spacer that locates the sprocket just at the right position and perfectly perpendicular. And then you see the ground clamp down on the rotary table. There's our dual shield wire. And over on the other side you see two temple sticks, a green one and a lavender color one. The green one is for 250 Fahrenheit, the lavender color one is for 400. The way how it works, you touch the metal with it, and if it works like a crayon and you see like residue on there, then it's not the right heat yet. And if it just melts away and smokes, then you know you have the right temperature. So here I took the solid wire out of the machine, put the flux core wire in the machine, knurled drive roller, and then here you see the specs of the wire that we're using so we can make the weld to specifications. So after torch preheat here, I'm gonna go check the temperature. You can see it melts right away, so we're there. Preheat is sufficient. Now I'm removing this alignment jig out of the fixture, lifting the shaft up, pulling the jig tube out, and then reattaching the shaft back in the chuck of the rotary table so we can finish the weld. When it comes to tightening the chuck, of course, there's no such kill as overkill. Always gonna make sure it's nice and over tightened. Alright, this is the bottom side here. Of course it's welded in position like the top side would be. And then once it's done and the slag is chipped off and everything, this is what the finished product looks like. Top side, bottom side. And then here you see the start and stop. There's a few on a pallet after they're all nice and polished and shined up, ready for delivery.